Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Knowledge Tree Academy. This is Komal Saeed and today we are going to learn another very important topic from mathematics, linear equations. This topic is very important for school and board exams, Cambridge examinations, national and international curriculum, algebra basics, mathematics problem solving. Many students find algebra difficult, especially when equations become longer and more complicated. But in today's lecture, I will explain everything step by step in a simple and easy way. In this lecture, we will learn what is a linear equation, how to solve linear equations, solving medium level examples, and important exam tips. So make sure you watch this lecture carefully till the end. Now, without wasting any time, let's start today's lecture. What is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. Here is an example 2x plus 5 equals to 5. Here x is the variable and its power is 1. So this is a linear equation. Before solving questions, remember these rules carefully. What are the rules? Rule number 1 is a number added on one side moves to the other side with subtraction. Rule number 2, a number subtracted moves with addition. A number multiplied moves with division. A number divided moves with multiplication. Always solve step by step and keep the question balanced. Now let's solve an example or two. Example number 1. Example number 1 is 2x plus 5. We have to solve this equation for x. We are going to subtract 5 on both sides. 3 minus 5. Here we get 2x that is equals to 10. Now dividing both sides by 2. And we get that x is equals to 5. I hope you understand this example. Now, if you are confused with the answer, you can check your answer by substituting the value in the original equation. The original equation was 2x plus 5. Now, I am going to write the original equation as x equals to 5. So substitute the value of x plus 5 equals to 15. This is 10 plus 5 equals to 15 and 15 is equals to 15. Here the left hand side of the equation is equals to the right hand side of the equation. It means that our answer is correct. Now let's solve a slightly difficult example. Example number 2 is 4x minus 9 equals to 3x plus 11. First, move 3x to the left side. Here, x with plus sign, 3x is with plus sign. When it moved, it will become minus 3x minus 9 equals to 11. Now moving minus 9 to the other side. 4x minus 3x is x, and this is 11 plus 9. So x is equals to 20. Again, we are going to check the answer by substituting the value in the original equation. Original equation is 2x minus 9 equals to 3x plus 11. X is 20, so 4 into 20 minus 9 equals to 3 into 20 plus 11. 4 into 20 is 80 minus 9, and this is 60 plus 11. 80 minus 9 is 71. 60 plus 11 is also 71. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. I hope you will understood this example too. Okay, now important concepts. While solving questions, always perform the same operation on both sides. Solve slowly and carefully. Do not skip steps. And in the end, you must have to check your answer by substituting the value of the variable in the original equation. Next topic is important exam tips. Before we end this lecture, let me give you some important exam tips. Tip number one is always write neatly. Solve step by step. Do not skip steps. Practice more questions regularly and learn the rules carefully. Always check your final answer. Now, if you are preparing for Cambridge or any national and international exams, proper presentation and correct steps are very important for getting good marks. So, this is where we complete today's lecture. I hope you have understood linear equations clearly and learned how to solve medium level questions step by step. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I have recently started the Knowledge Tree Academy where I provide online classes and academic guidance for students. If you want to improve your concepts and learning, you are most welcome to join my academy.